Hey, I'm gonna do a quick review on this smart bird feeder. I actually ordered this for my wife for a Christmas present. It has a camera on it, just like a doorbell camera like you would put on your house, but it'll connect it to Wi-Fi. You can check it on your phone. I won't take it all the way out for you since it's a present, but I'll show you what it looks like here. Got a camera here. Got a little feeder here. Got a little area where you can perch. You put it on. You can see in the picture here, right here with a bird, a perch on it. Got a nice little roof to go on top. See here, it comes in a lot of different colors, styles, but check them out. A lot of people have them. I'm sure you've seen them online, but I know my wife will like it. She's been wanting one for a while, so check it out. I think you'll like it too.